Alright. Mag-ship chase na punta kay MV Sean Ferry 2.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa atong mga
Officers and crew, on board atangta sa ilang bagong livery pagbalik biyahe ni Sean Ferry 2. Shout!
out diha sa atong bagtikan na
Kapitan Kim Arsenal, hello Kap.
uban sa imong mga bagtik na mga crew members mo laras na pud mo balik puhon-puhon.
Ug ayaw kalimot, pag-follow sa atong Facebook page, Island Ship Spotter, ug sa Philippine Ship Spotter Society.
Alang sa mga dugang na mga videos and updates.
Catching every voice at the ocean bore, from ferries to freighters, I'll name them all. On the horizon, I hear their call. Every night, every horn sings a melody of wanderlust and destiny. You say, waves are rolling, the sun starts to rise. Binoculars up, got the sea in my eyes. Engines hum and the breeze feels free. Another vessel drifts across the open sea.